All right, this is recipe B. What we need for recipe B, we need a 1 gallon bag, and we need a 1 quart freezer bag. All right. I'm gonna label them because I'm a little slow. You gotta make sure you get this right. Oh, something's wrong with that bag. Why are these bags at the bottom like that? Oh. Alright, so we're going to label these bags. We have, the big bag is bag A. The little bag is bag B. Alright. What's it tell us to do? In 1 gallon A bag, mix 8 cups of snow and 6 tablespoons of salt. Alright, so in this, we're going to put 6 tablespoons. 6 tablespoons. Where did I know? There's no tablespoon. A tablespoon. So what do I need? 6 tablespoons. 6? Is that 6 tablespoons of salt?
Mommy, Tweety Bird.
6 tablespoons of salt. Alright. 6 tablespoons of salt. Boy, that dog ate all that. Boy, dog, you're something. Alright, so we're going to do 6 tablespoons of salt. Alright, this is freezing point depression. So freezing point depression is when you add a solute, like salt, to a solvent, like water or ice. In this case, we're going to use snow instead of ice. And the freezing point of snow is 0 degrees Celsius. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. When you add salt, it depresses the freezing point, which is why we put salt on the road. Oops. So we depress the freezing point, and what that means is, it's not that it necessarily melts the snow, although it appears to melt. It does melt the snow. But what it does is it lowers the freezing point of the water, and it will freeze at a lower temperature. Alright, so we got that. What do we put in bag B? Alright, bag B, I'm going to make a mess. It's not going to go well. Alright, let's see, bag B. So we need half a cup of milk. Half a cup of milk. Did I use the half cup? There's my 3rd cup. Now I need the half cup. Take half a cup of milk. Don't spill the milk. Okay, got half a cup of milk. Alright. Stand this up in the bowl here. Alright, got half a cup of milk. Alright, and then we need 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Where's the sugar? Put the sugar away. Use this sugar over here. Sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Boy, that's not coming out nice. That's close enough, you know. Alright. So we got the sugar. Alright, let's see, we need 6. We did that. We need half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon. Well, that's a full teaspoon. Where's the half? There's the half. Alright, so we put half a teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Dog is eating the dish. Whoa, that was a little too much. I'll taste the extra vanilla. All right, let's put the milk away. Let's put the vanilla extract away. This is empty. We can get rid of this. All right. Okay. We got. Let's see. Make sure we did everything there. So we got the milk's in there. We did the sugar. We did the salt. And the other bag. Wait, this bag. Yeah, okay. All right, so now we need the sugar, or snow. So let's get the snow. And what does it say? 8 cups. All right, so this snow, you're not going to eat this snow. This snow is merely going to make the mixture cold. So I'm just going to kind of scoop it up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to help, dog? 5, 6, 7, 8. A little more, just 9. Okay. All right, there we go. All right, close the door. Okay. All right. We got that. All right, so this is freezing point depression. So this is all good. So I'm gonna seal this up. So that's about as much ice cream as we're gonna get. A lot less than the other one. The other one you got like 8 cups. Here you're gonna get as much, basically as much milk as you put in. I'm gonna get the air out of there. Then I'm gonna make a little pocket here. My hands. Try to get that into the snow. Like this. Alright. And then I'm gonna take the air out of that also. Okay, so if you did this right, the salt should not be in bag B, it should only be in bag A. And then we're gonna knead this. Or if you want to be fancy and try to get that air out, you want to be fancy, perhaps you bought ice cream called slow churn ice cream. So we are going to churn this. So the other ice cream that we made, method A, it makes it really, really fast, and you use the snow, essentially freezes the milk. So I'm going to churn this. I kind of want to get that, so you got to churn this for a while. Basically just make it cold. And slowly, because of the salt, it's going to make the snow below 30 degrees, which is very cold. And you'll feel it if you don't have gloves or like kitchen towels or something. So I'm going to take the air out again. Should get all that extra air out. And then kind of knead it. And you're trying to get the snow in there, cover the milk stuff, and it will freeze. I'm going to add a little more snow on top. So again, you're not consuming this snow like you are in recipe in method A. Method A, you got to consume this. But that was the fast method. This is the slow churn method. We're literally slow churning ice cream. I'm going to add some more. Now you could use ice for this method also, which in class, towards the end of the year, we do this lab in class with ice. Have you make some ice cream. Who knows if we'll be in school when that happens. Okay, so we got that. Some more snow in there. And then we're going to continue the slow churn of the ice cream. Now if you just leave it sit, if you mix it in with the salt good enough, we're going to add a little more salt here, just to make sure. Okay, now there's a lot of salt now. All right, Now, if you leave that sit long enough, if the salt is mixed in with the ice long enough, it'll actually freeze your ice cream. Your ice cream will turn solid. So that's why you need to churn it. You want to churn it so it freezes one, like, if you will, one crystal at a time, and then you get kind of like ice cream. Just kind of slow churn the ice cream. See the consistency here. It's getting stiff slowly. I'm not quite ready yet. Get back in the ice cream there, back in the snow. Cover it up good. Get that air out. My gloves on again. Keep my hands warm. Alright. Just gonna kind of churn it. Alright, I think it's pretty good here. Open it up. I don't know if you can see in there, but it looks kind of like the other stuff. Get a spoon here. Come on out, spoon. Alright. Man, is it cold? It's cold. Oh, that's good. And it's a little salty. A little salt must have got through. So much salt involved. It's a little salty. That's pretty good. Notice, doesn't really make as much. You basically get as much milk as you put in. So you could double it and get twice as much. Other way it comes. Alright, that's good.